All right, time has passed. Coffee has been consumed. Showers have been had, and it's 9 a.m. This is our last day at sea before we get to Castaway Cay. So I'm attempting to do laundry. Once I figure it out, I'm going to show you how to do it. Maybe this will help you. Okay, well, bummer. Every washing machine is currently in use, but it'll give me some time to figure out everything. So the first thing I'm going to do is buy some soap. And everything on the ship is cashless, so I'm going to be buying $1 Tide soap and some bounce sheets, well, Snuggle, with my card. Okay, so first we swipe the card. Press button to confirm. Which button? Timed out. Swipe. Press button to confirm. Processing. Accepted. Thank you. What did I... Oh. Alright. How are you supposed to get it out of here? Wow. They don't make it easy. Swipe. Accept. Thank you. And there it is. Okay. Got my stuff. Here's the tip for you. One more tip you've never heard before. When these things come out of the machine, they're like this. You got to put your fingers in and twist them like that so that they flip over and come out. See, if I had a video that told me that, would have saved me some time and frustration and swear words. So we lived in an apartment building for quite a long time, and just as annoying there, it's here, is that when someone is doing laundry and it's done, and you sit there and you wait for them to come and get it so I can take over the machine. I think I need two that are done. So while I'm waiting, I thought I would show you guys the instructions on how to use the machine that I read it to. However, it's only going to help me if I'm either Chinese, French, German, Portuguese, or Spanish. Okay, no big deal because I'm blind, because the instructions are actually right here on the wall. So you find the machine, you gotta know the number. Purchase the wash with your card. Reading something and then doing it are different things, but we'll figure it out once someone comes and gets their laundry. So one guy came, so there's one machine left, but I got 1, 2, 3 still sitting there idle. It says I got one, I'll take advantage of it. So the next thing you do is you open up the detergent compartment. Okay, now I got it. So here we go. So, washer A, swipe card, press button to confirm, accepted, load machine, already did that, then press start. Oh, I did it! So these are high efficiency washers. That means that wash load that I did will be completed in 57 minutes. So, 1 hour before we can put it in the dryer. Benny, corned beef hash, more bagel with cream cheese and lox. Yummy. Very yummy. Drying is just the same process you did with the wash. Takes 45 minutes for extra dry. So I'm back at Shutters, and here are our photos. My mom is the best for having her eyes closed in pictures. Amazing. I'm looking a little too nice for being a pirate. So that's how that works. Then you can get a digital package, you can print them, cups and photo books. Yeah. But all costs money. So we're spending our last sea day, getting our packing done, except for what we need for the next couple days. So yeah, we got a lot of stuff, but we're doing pretty good. Shockingly good for us. AquaDuck, so much fun. Do it. So in typical Disney vacation fashion, I'm running off to the next thing. Just finished riding the AquaDuck a couple times. Here's something that I couldn't find information about that now I know. You can bring a GoPro on the AquaDuck, but it must be a wrist strap, head strap, or chest strap. So I happen to have had a wrist strap. So yeah, everything I heard before was no, you are not allowed to bring cameras on. Get flying out everywhere. So if you want to have a little memory of riding on the AquaDuck, you just have to bring a strap. Strap it to you, you're good to go. Without a doubt, that was the best meal of the rotational dining that we have had. Lobster, chocolate lava cake. Oh, man, that was awesome. Off to my bourbon tasting tonight. See how this goes. I know. Is it a rabbit? I think it's a rabbit. Kind of shaking because the ship is shaking. It reminds me of something out of Donnie Darko.
We're gonna talk today about bourbons, the difference between a Scotch whiskey, Irish whiskey, American whiskey, and a bourbon. Okay, this is Pappy Van Winkle. This is the same company that made Pappy Van Winkle's the Buffalo Trace. Pappy is third generation. This is Pappy 23. We used to have the 12. I think we have a couple more shots of the 12 in one bar left. But this one, if you get a chance to try Pappy, you should try it at least once. But to get a bottle like this, you have to know somebody who knows somebody, or you have to win the lottery. So this is the Pappy 23. I wish I can give you guys some of that Pappy to try, but the mouse not gonna be so happy if I give you Pappy 23. This one go for $350 a pour. So first you're gonna take up some water, you're gonna cleanse your palate. But 1 or 2 ice cubes is the most you should put in your bourbon. Otherwise, you're gonna waste your money. It's like the gentleman where we have here, tall basketball player. We have a shot, a cognac was for $1,250. Louis the 13 Royal Cask. And he told me he wanted with a splash of Coke.
Wow.
He drink 12, like say, the bill come up to over $5,000. For two shots. But this one is really smooth. But somehow, I go to Canada, Maker's Mark is more expensive than Woodford Reserve in Canada.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you go to, anybody here go to Canada recently?
I'm from Canada.
You're from Canada?
Yeah, they sell that at Costco.
I'm telling you, this is more cheap than, I'm like,
They do.
Yeah.
how are you?
Yeah.
What the?
They sell bourbon at Costco?
Yeah, they sell that bourbon at Costco in a 66 ounce for about $50. Hey everybody, I just drank a whole bunch of bourbon and now I'm going to a premiere. I'm going to a premiere at Sea of Marvel's Infinity War. And I have cheesies, Canadian cheesies, Hawkins cheesies. The best cheesies of all the cheesies. I'm going to watch Infinity War right now. Oh my god. Oh my god, how many D's is that going to be? 3, 6, 9, 12 D.
Quadruple D.
12 D Avengers. Oh my god. We get to see Avengers before pretty much everyone else. That's too many D's, Michelle.
Way too many D's. Which saving Mr. Bank back to saving Mr. Bank.
Emma Thompson.
You're right.
Good. Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen.
It's 2:30 in the morning. We just finished that movie, which was really awesome. Yeah, it was great, but I'm so tired. Yeah, our first premiere I've ever attended, I think, and premiere at sea with Disney. It's pretty awesome. You will love this movie. Another reason why Disney Cruise is the best.
Yeah, it's a hot day. I'm hanging in the sunshine. You should hit me with the splash gun so I cool down. Won't you come on over? We can party till the sun's down. Baby, let me buy you a drink while we're dancing a blink. I could go for some queen bee too. Macy's going boom.